So if you're wondering how to strip your vehicle of waxes and sealants and just get it ready for that last step protection, that last step product, I want to show you a very quick and easy way to strip your entire wheels, your tires, and also your paint. I'm just going to use this super clean aerosol bottle, super easy, and it foams up so nice. What this allows me to do is just let it cling and clean for me. And you know, it's pretty strong, but it's not the strongest dilution. So it's clear Super Clean has designed this to be pretty safe. Like if you were to take Super Clean straight from the bottle, like a gallon of Super Clean, and spray it on here, it would clean better than this. Now real quick, let's say I wanted to clean the wheel. A really easy way, when it's all foamed up, is just grabbing a boar's hair brush and getting right into the lug nuts there, and then you can even do something like this. And the cool thing about the foam here with Super Clean, it's doing a lot of the cleaning for me. So if I just said, you know what, I just really want a nice gentle clean. You know, it's not the perfect clean of these wheels, but this is a maintenance client and I'm looking for kind of speed and efficiency. So that's clean there. And now I want to show you how I pre-soak the vehicle, super easy as well. Usually I'm focusing on kind of the lower third panels. There are a million ways to do this, guys. Foam cannons, you could just take Super Clean, diluted in a spray bottle. I just like the foaming action. I like how it clings, it's easy. I'm just kind of working my way up. You can see just right there some of the gunk that's kind of fallen off the vehicle. It does such a good job of clinging that you're not seeing anything super dramatic. It's sort of staying there. So it's breaking it down. Now I'm just going to take my hose. So there you have it, guys. The paint is pretty well stripped at this point. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it. Maybe do a light clay towel, and then put bead maker or some kind of last step product on there. But this does a lot of the heavy hitting for me. It removes a lot of the crud that was just stuck on the paint without me having to agitate it at all. Are there other options besides a Super Clean aerosol can? Yes, there are. But I'm telling you, sometimes you don't want to mix stuff up. You just want it ready to use, and you want it to work. Foam is fun. If you like this video, let me know, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.